Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm filming this video because many of you asked me where I find my motivation and my drive to do everything that I do. If you're new here and you are unaware of everything that I do, I am a single mom of a 3-year-old little boy. I am a content creator here on YouTube, so I film my videos, I edit them myself, I come up with the ideas myself, I do my channel art myself, I do my thumbnails myself, so everything that has to do with my YouTube video, I am 100% responsible for. I am also growing 2 businesses. The first one is Boss Mommy University. On there, I provide tools and video courses for women that want to become content creators. I'm still in the beginning stages of that business. I also am in the developing stages of another business, which is called Secure Fashion and Beauty. And with that business, I have an online website where I sell homemade cosmetics as well as shapewear like swap belts and waist trainers. And I am also an Herbalife coach. So I do all of this while trying to live a healthy, active life. So I like to cook healthy and go to the gym, and like I said, I'm a mom all at the same time. So it is a lot of things that I do. I keep my plate full, but guess what? I do it successfully, and I'm gonna let you know today what I do so I could do so much and do it well. So if you want to learn how I push myself, how I stay motivated, and how I manage to do everything that I do and not skip a beat, keep on watching because I'm gonna tell you the tea. This part of the video is not scripted at all. I wanted to talk to you guys straight from the heart. First thing is first. I know that when you guys look at things on social media or on YouTube, we make things look perfect on there. I want to tell you that for the most part, I am pretty motivated to get shit done, but I'm not always motivated. I'm a normal person just like you, and I do have my moments when I slack a little bit or I'm not doing as much as I know that I could be. I'm a human, so before I jump into it, there's no such thing as perfection. I am never perfect and I have my slip up, so don't feel bad about yourself if you do, because I don't. All I do is I pick up and go. But yeah, let's get into how I stay motivated. So something that I have learned as I have gotten older is that there is a difference between being motivated and being disciplined. So motivation, you wake up and you feel motivated to do what you want to do. You're excited, you want to do this, you want to get shit done. But on those days when your mental health issues kick in, or when you've been doing so many things that you're drained, you can't take it anymore, on those days when you don't even want to get out of bed to take a shower and brush your teeth, that is the day that discipline comes before motivation. How do you develop discipline? The way that I've developed discipline is because I want this so bad that I'm willing to get it no matter what. I know that blowing up on YouTube is not gonna happen if I'm not consistently uploading. I know that I'm not gonna obtain more subscribers and more supporters if I'm not consistently uploading. Therefore, on days when I don't feel like uploading, I still have to, and I'm still going to upload because I want this so bad. I want to grow so bad. I want to be my own boss so bad. I want to help other people so bad. I want to help my family and create jobs for them so bad. I want to buy a house for my son so bad that I don't need motivation to do what I'm doing. I need discipline. I need a reminder of my why. And my reminder, I look at him every single day. That's my son, and giving him more. So that is where I find motivation. Many of you ask me, oh, how do you stay motivated to work out every day? How do you eat healthy every day? Bruh, I want to look in the mirror and love who I am. And the only way to look in the mirror and love who I am is by me, myself, making it happen. I'm not gonna gain anything from sitting on my bed whining or crying or feeling bad about myself because I'm a certain weight, or I feel sluggish because I'm eating unhealthy. No, I'm not gonna complain. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get out of bed and I'm gonna make it a priority to go to the gym every day, because the feeling of not going is horrible. The feeling of knowing, damn, I should have gone but I didn't because I was lazy, is horrible. The feeling of doing what you need to do even when you're tired, even when you don't feel like doing it, that feeling that you get after you accomplish that task that you didn't feel like doing is great. I feel accomplished. I feel like I took one step forward. So that is how I stay motivated to go to the gym and eat healthy, because I'm doing what I need to do so I can love myself more, so I can feel more comfortable in my own skin. You know, Will Smith said something, because I listen to a lot of motivations. It's a part of my morning routine. Will Smith said, take control of your mind so you can be able to choose shit that's in your best interest. So if you want what's best for you, take control of your mind. Motivation is just a feeling. Your mind is your power. So create discipline. Will Smith also said that discipline is the definition of self-love. If you love yourself, you're gonna do what you need to do so you could get ahead, because ain't nobody else gonna do it for you. When you love yourself, that means that you have behavior towards yourself that's loving. What is behavior towards yourself that's loving? It's being disciplined to do what you need to do so you can be the best version of yourself. Some people are scared to go to the gym. They're new. They don't know how to lift weights. They don't know how to use certain equipment at the gym. Let me tell you something. Go anyways. Don't let that fear take you over, because guess what? Other people's opinion is a really shitty way to determine how you feel about yourself. So if you're not going to the gym because you don't want people looking at you, you're letting your social anxiety get the best of you, put it past you. If you can't put it past you, get the help that you need. Do the research that you need to do to learn how to overcome it, and go to the gym and do your thing. Who cares if people are looking at you? Practice at home. Jog outside when nobody's looking. Do something. Don't let your mind block you from what it is that you need to do. Also remember that wherever focus goes, energy flows. So if you decide that you want to change your life and you want to work on being the best version of yourself, and every single morning you wake up with that intention, you're gonna make it, sis. I'm telling you, wherever focus goes, energy flows. Remember that. Did you know that when you focus on something consistently, magic happens? I'm gonna tell you guys a quick story. I have been on YouTube. I've been on YouTube for years, unconsistently. I got a career out of YouTube. For 10 years, I worked as a makeup artist for the best makeup lines out there, because I was on YouTube learning. I've learned so much on YouTube, and I've always wanted to be a YouTuber, but something held me back. I let my own fear of being in front of the camera, maybe not feeling secure or confident with something in my physical appearance, I let that hold me back for years, until one day a pandemic happened, and I decided that life was too short to always wonder what would have happened if I would have turned on the camera and started talking. And guess what? I turned on the camera and started talking, and now I have almost 3,000 subscribers that support me, because you guys have shown me that you support me. Don't let fear hold you back. Honestly, I'm at a point in my life where I don't feel good if I'm not doing what makes me happy, and this is what makes me happy. Talking to you guys, building a loyal audience, building a family, teaching you guys amazing things, and you teaching me amazing things, and creating a community. That's what makes me happy. Building an empire, providing jobs for my family members, buying a house for my son. That is what makes me happy, and that is what keeps me going. So like I said, now you guys know a little bit of insight of me and where my motivation and my drive comes from, and that is by remembering my why. And basically what I've been trying to say is that for me, there is no such thing as motivation. For me, it's discipline. That is how I manage to stay motivated and do everything that I do. So if you have a goal that you want to accomplish, if you want to change something about yourself, if you want to start loving yourself more, become determined, become disciplined, and remember your why. Why is it that you want this? Is it a feeling that you're after? Anything. But check yourself into it. It all starts with a decision. So that is the end of this video. I hope that you guys feel more motivated to chase your goals, to chase your dreams. I hope that you guys figure out your why, and that you guys bang out your goals of 2021. Until the next video, you guys, thank you so much for watching.